Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a video to the recipient on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, and a video that we will be attaching to the email and sending to the recipient. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to new email, increase the size of the email window. Now let's select the recipient, which will be Rehan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Add a subject, let's just say video. Let's go into the email and compile the email. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached video to this email. Let's now move to another desktop, go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, or go to favorites, then go to movies. We should have a folder called videos that has 2 videos in there. We want to copy video.mp4, right click, copy. Go to another desktop, right click. We have the video on the desktop now. Let's go back to the email. We can now insert, attach file, browse for this computer. Should take us directly to the desktop where we have video.mp4. Click on this, open. And that video itself has now attached to this email. Let's now end the email with kind regards, admin. We now want to click on send. Let's now go to the sent items, and here we have that email that says video, dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached video to this email. Kind regards, admin. Click on the video. And here we have that video that was attached to this email on screen. We can download that video if we need to. Let's click on download. And this saves the video directly to the Mac computer after it was sent and attached to the email and then downloaded by the recipient or yourselves. Let's now quit QuickTime Player. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.